If you're looking for an affordable 2-bedroom unit, don't look further. In this episode, I'm going to present to you an awesome unit with a breathtaking view. Welcome to Kingsford Waterbay. Hi, I'm Shania and I'm the host for the Ooi Property Brothers from Orange Tea and Thai, AAG division. This is a 2-bedroom unit with a total size of 678 square feet, sitting on a high floor facing the greenery, where you can enjoy the nature quietly growing around you. This unit is intelligently renovated by the owner, with many storage spaces, which some are hidden. The bar top counter is splashed with natural stone, which provides a feel of luxury and cleanliness. The balcony is decked up to create a sentiment of a resort, and zip track is installed to maximize the potential. The Scandinavian-themed bedroom is tastefully renovated with storage hidden under the bed in the raised platform. Kingsford Waterbay is equipped with many interesting facilities. Over here, I like to highlight the swimming pool, which stretches out like a river. What's more, it has a childcare, mini-mart and hair salon in this development. And NTUC is just minutes away. The park connector, which is right outside your doorstep, giving you an opportunity for a healthy lifestyle. With the fantastic amenities around, you will absolutely be pampered for choices. Call them, the Ooi Property Brothers, for consultation.